Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. Today we want to do something different. I want to tag you along with me as we go to KARURA Forest in Kenya. If you're in Kenya, you know where KARURA Forest is, in Nairobi. And I want you to enjoy this as it is an activity. You can do it over the weekend. It is good to unwind. Okay, for me, I love nature, so it's just perfect for me. So I got into the car. I'm not going alone. I have my hubby with me. I got into the car. I had to prepare as I'm waiting for him to go. So you can see I was just putting on my stanners. The sun was really bright and I had to secure my eyes. So let's go, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, and let's do this. Ask me any question on the comment section below. Guys, here we had entered through the Limuru Road Gate A, as you have seen, and they just charge, if you have a car, they charge car parking fees for the car 200, and per person you're being charged 100. So I see these prices being fair, and it doesn't have any limit how long you'll stay in there. So it's something that is really fair on that. I don't know what you think, guys, but you can just comment, give your opinion on the comment section below. So here there's like a distance between the main gate and where the parking is. Although people can walk, it's a distance that someone can walk. So as you can see here, we had got into the parking. Sorry for that. We got into the parking, and there were many people. There were many, not that many. The cars were many because I think maybe it's Saturday, but we got some parking. Guys, you can see In Karura, you can come, you can rent a bike. There's a place you can play tennis, as I'm showing you on the screen. And there are all bikes of all sizes and all type. So renting a bike is 500 shillings. Having a walk is free. Use your legs, yeah. So we got here, and here this soldier had to check on if I followed all the rules. Like I didn't have a plastic bottle, I didn't have like a pack of crisps where I can litter around. So she checked my bag and we were free to go into the forest. So let's enjoy this, guys, with you. Any question, any comment, any opinion, feel free to just comment on the comment section below. So guys, you can see the stickers on the trees. They're everywhere. Each tree, not each really, as in there's some stickers on some specific trees which shows the name of the tree in scientific one, the English one, and Swahili. So the trek is not that simple. It has some ups and downs, and we have to be careful because kids are also cycling along, and you have to be like give way for them to pass, as you'll see some other kids who are moving. But be careful, guys, when you come with kids over here, because if they've never been there before, just be careful. Just monitor their movement, control them, because you know how kids can be. As you've seen, one of them just fell before us and we had to help her. It was so bad because she was forced to be rushed to the hospital. She had cut her lips and it was really bad. But it's a good place. When they're controlled, guys, they can really enjoy it. It's a good outdoor activity for them. So there are some signs in the junctions. You can never get lost. You just look at the directions. Like here, we were looking at where we could go to, the waterfall and the caves. Those were the main target we had for the day. So we walked to the cave and it was just some few meters ahead of us. And I hope you'll enjoy, you'll see. I know the water is not that much. The waterfall is not really falling. I mean, it's not really falling, like giving that vibe of a waterfall. And I know all this is because of the drought that's going on, but I believe God will send rain. So I tried to capture some moments. I hope you enjoy. Just tag along, guys, and watch my video, because you'll see some goodies at the end of the video. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe, guys. we didn't capture a lot at the waterfall because there were many people around there. I think because it was a Saturday and kids had been brought and all time. So I think the best time, if you really want to have that privacy, and I respect people's privacy, so I didn't want to capture some faces because this is public. The video has to be public in YouTube, so we just captured the little we could. Now we're walking to the caves, and it's like a hike. We have some parts of the forest where you like feel like you're hiking. The other parts of the forest you feel like you're just walking in the park. So all I can say is you need to be comfortable in whatever you've put on, from the clothes to the shoes, and depending on the weather, how hot or cold it is, because it gets to a point you cannot do this with maybe heels or maybe even wedges. You need some rubber sports shoes or hike shoes if you have. So we walked up to the cave, and you'll see as you go by watching my video. And here I was trying to film, I was trying to capture these moments. I reduced on my speed because I was already tired. And something else, guys, let me just tell you the truth, just eat well before you go there. So that is the entry of the cave. I was so afraid of it, I couldn't get in through there. So we reached here, and there were people in the cave, and I didn't want to like film or show you guys, but they have some rules. They were just taking pictures. This is another cave, the small caves that were in front. And yeah, after there we just climbed, and we went back through another route that we also enjoyed some moments. So this is me trying to enjoy the sun, trying to enjoy the moments. I'm trying to capture the best I could because I was holding my camera in front of me. So yeah, Karura is a nice place. All I can say, it is very nice. If you love nature, it is a place you can really go and unwind. A place you can just have a walk, figure out how things are. You can go alone. It's secure, it's safe. There's no theft. I don't think I heard of some snakes, but I've never seen any. If you've maybe had an experience, guys, you can share on the comment section below. But for me, it's something that's doable. As a group, with your friends, with your family, with your best friends, you can do it. Alone, solo trips, yeah, you can do it. So that's it, guys, for today.
We were riding through the woods with our bikes. We got scared when it got darker at night, 'cause everyone was missing safety lights. So we tried to use a flashlight as a guide. And now I'm standing in an overcrowded train, picturing the times we had as children while the rain is pouring down the windows and the people push their way. I've seen better days. Take me back to my hometown. Take me back to my loved ones. We were kids, now we're all grown. Back in my hometown. Take me back to my hometown. Back to my loved ones. Back to my hometown. Back in my hometown.
forgot, guys, to tell you that there are some washrooms. There's a gift shop at the main gate. There's a field where we parked, and also where people can play football, team building. And also there's this part of Karura that has a picnic area. I really want to go there and see what's up there. I don't know which side, so if you know, maybe just tell me in the comment section below. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, for liking my videos, and I really appreciate you guys. May God bless you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.